Hey guys, Noyce here with another daily recap. Still not very used to saying that, so I'll say the market is pretty damn choppy today, as you can see. SONN was the daily gap today. How do I put it? There's a lot of gap and go, or how do you call it? Like basically, they pop and fade. Pretty choppy day. I'm down 335 today. So okay, so for SONN, I traded it, kind of chased it. Like I was watching other tickers, like SNN was the top 2 gapper. However, I did not like how it was already I don't know, the percentage is pretty high. It was gapping up a lot already. I didn't think it would have, unlikely to have much, and it could also, I think it was around 90% or something, so it could potentially just face to 60. So I didn't touch it. So in the open, as you can see, it dropped off for 2 minutes, then it pops up into a halt. So after the halt, I let the first minute settle. So after that, when it's going up, I hesitated, and I think the spread is pretty hard. I got filled here, which is really bad, but based on 5 minutes, I got filled here, which is okay. At least it crossed this 190. However, I feel at 191, I think. So the next candle it came down, so I got stop out. Really unfortunate. Then as you can see, it's choppy. It's a pretty low float stock, so that's why the movement is pretty erratic. As you can see, as it's going up, I think there was some sort of ascending triangle here, so I didn't really care. But I'm thinking with all the other stocks knifing, all the attention have to go somewhere. So I thought it could be SONN. I added here, and basically I know how the market is today. Is probably gonna pop and fade, so I set a limit sell. So basically I set it near the 200 EMA. As you can see here, the 200 EMA is 2056, so I set roughly around that level. I got filled, and basically it fades. So it halted down, and the weird thing is it halted up again, and I don't know, this whole thing just feels very weird to me. Like it's not even a minute candle, it's like 4 candles, then something's going on there. So I decided to just walk away from the market despite being down 335. Of course, could I have turned it into a win day if I were to continue trade? Sure, but I could also be digging a deeper hole for myself. SNOA, same thing. I was watching this in the open, so it halted up, making it the clear leading gapper today. And then when it unhot, I see it was moving around this area, so I added here, and I got stop out here. Then I see it's really choppy. It doesn't make sense. This is the level halted up, and it came all the way down to here, and no halts or nothing. Pretty damn weird. So as I see, it's holding lower lows and lower lows and lower lows, so I added here. Same thing, I set a limit sell, some level that I want. So yeah, I got filled here. It literally rips up and gone, like in a mere second. Rips up, I got filled on my limit sell and came down. So this is the SNOA. This is the reason why, like after this happened, I decided to do this for SONN. So BIOC was another choppy one, as you can see. In the open, I was watching in the first pullback, and I added it, but wanted it to add this break, or at least try for the PMH, since it has pretty decent news and it's a cancer news, so I was pretty high on it. However, it couldn't pass the pre-market high, so on the way down I basically just sold out. Then I think it was holding around 4.1 area. Yeah, a lot of people was watching it here around the 4.1 area, as you can see all this candle. So it was trying really hard to get past this level 4 to 5, which it did, but same thing, pop and fade. A lot of traps. I would say a lot of people could be dying here, and same thing for here and here, and look at this thing. So basically hold up, toying around this level, across the 200 EMA, halts down, halts up again. This is really insane. I probably will not touch it. I mean, sure, a lot of money could be made from this. Like in a split seconds, you could be making 10 cents from a really cheap stock. Same thing, like here, you could be losing it in an instance too, so I'm not touching it. BCTX, really nice. This was in my watch list pre-market for some reason, and somehow I see it is trying to call, so I added here. However, it's taking its own sweet time, so in the open, same thing. When it rips up, I punch the limit sell button, and I'm out fully. Since all these candles and based on BCTX history, I don't have much confidence on them. Like usually I believe it's a gap and go, which that's why I'm comfortable limit selling at 630. I was thinking to myself like, hey, if let's say it went to 650 or 7, then I'm okay. I'll just accept that it went without me. So same thing, got out here, and this is basically what happened. RHE was I'm down 335 today. Cost of RHE, I don't usually include sheets like this, but it shows out on my P&L, so I'm lazy to calculate it manually or exclude this. So alright, so this I got it yesterday around, if you guys remember, around 790. Then I said I'm gonna swing it if he can hold, let's say 7. So yeah, today I got stop out at 7. This is nonsense. So seeing this candle is 7.5, so I set it 10 cent, 1 cent below it. So in the open, it just chops both ways, basically trigger both sides. Like this side, all those longs, their limit, stop limit, and sorry, people that want to short the stop, their stop limit, both sides got triggered just like that. Pretty choppy, however, not much movement over there, and I guess I'm okay with it. Just that it, yeah, it seems like it's moving now. Okay, so I think I lost around 6. I think I lost around 300 here. So if not for this, around 300, I think. Yeah, I lost around 300 something. If not for this, perhaps today will be a green day, but that's just how it is. And so yeah, one really bad trade here. Then I made back the money, so I'm okay with this. SNOA, same thing, bad trade, good trade, okay with it. SNOA, this is just an awful trade. However, BCTX I made it back, so it's pretty even. So like I say, it's down to this. If not for RHE, I might be up a little today, but because of RHE, I'm down 335. So yeah, swings, ECOR is doing okay. EMS trying to cover too. Other than that, rest of it aren't doing too well. I mean, PT is trying. Love to see this 3 green candle. So yeah, probably I made the recap pretty early today, as you can see. Usually around 10 I'll be having a lot of nice trades, but since the market is back to itself now, not so green. I mean, not much opportunity, I would say. Like, you do have all these crazy opportunities, but how many of you guys were in all these? So yeah, I'm just gonna close it out, close the app. That's why I did the daily recap pretty early. Perhaps I was thinking, as BTC usually goes up around Thursday, so today I could be looking at all those BTC tickers, but yeah, as you can see, but I would say it feels like a break-even day, if not for RHE. Actually, if not for this 1 cent difference, 674 was literally my stop limit. If not for this, perhaps today would be green. However, yeah, things like this happen, so I just have to let it go without me and not overstay my welcome. So down 335, and there's always still tomorrow. However, tomorrow I might be away, so I might not be making any daily recap. I'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's all for today. I will just go and watch some drama, so maybe play some games to take my mind off trading. So far this month started off great, then it kinda just went downwards, so not the best month. However, usually you have months like this. The best you can do is keep your mental straight, and the greener months will still come. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully, if not Monday. So have a blessed weekend in advance, I guess. And stay safe, trade safe, peace.